how to see your Spotify receipt or how you can find your Spotify receipt. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view your Spotify receipt. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, however you won't be able to find it on the application itself. What you'll need to do is you'll have to head into your browser and on the browser searching for spotify.com. Now it can be your phone browser or your desktop browser. Simply head into the browser and searching for spotify.com and head into the official Spotify page and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get the interface like this as you can see on the screen. Tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and there you'll get various options. Now once you tap on the view account option and you'll be headed into your account details here. Simply tap on view account and let this load up. Now once it's loaded up, you can see account option, payment option. Now under payment, you can see the very first option, other history. Tap on other history and you'll be able to view your receipts here. All your Spotify receipts or transactions will be shown up here. However, I don't have any transactions made until now, so you can see it's empty, but if you have it, you'll find it here. You can see my no receipts found. Basically, this is where you'll see your receipts. So this way you can see your Spotify receipt. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.